I can't see the birdies. No. Miss, there's little tiny birds. Facebook.
Evil! All of the books say that crows or ravens are the watchers. And they come and they spy on us and they go back to the minions. They are the minions, pardon me. They go back to their headmasters, the spawns of Satan, and tell them what we are doing. So why, my question is, are you?
If you don't mind me saying, spawn of Satans are all around us. Birdies! Oh, woo! There's none on your house at all. Oh, crap. Not on your side of the house. Check it out.
Right on the border.
Right on.
Thou shalt not have me or mine. Thee or thine must go forth into the dark underworld. Evil! Evil surrounds me! It's evil, I tell you, it's evil! Get off my area! Get away! More are coming, Timothy, they're coming! Oh, crap! They're coming after me!
Satan!
You cannot touch my domain!
Chicken China, the Chinese chicken. You have a drumstick and your brain stops sticking. Watching X-Files with no lights on, with all our maisons. I hope the smoking man's in